guys, it's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. I know y'all like, girl, we seen you in this shirt with this hair, these lashes, and these earrings. I know, sis, because I just did a haul, which you probably just watched, and now you're watching this makeup tutorial. I know, okay? It's the same day. It's the same moment, actually. I just ended that video and pressed start again, okay? But I'm just like, why not try the products that I just showed you in the haul on camera? So, yeah, let's take these earrings off. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're going to take these lashes off. Bye-bye. And we're going to get started. So, I hope you guys like this. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join my family. I'm crazy. You're crazy. We're all crazy. We like makeup. You want to learn makeup. I'm doing makeup. Like, join my family. Anyways. Stay tuned if you want to see a cute little makeup look. I don't know what I'm going for yet, but y'all know we always turn out cute, so it don't even matter. Okay, stay tuned. Let's get started. That was nasty. Okay, so we are up close and personal. Alright guys, I'm going to start off with my Fenty Beauty primer. I'm going to just prime my face all over. Now I'm going to take my NARS concealer in caramel, and I'm basically going to highlight first and then put my foundation on. So I'm highlighting, and of course I'm blending out here with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm taking my NARS foundation, and I take a very light coat and then put it on. I've learned that I don't really like this foundation heavy. So as you can see, I'm literally just putting a very light layer on, and then I'm blending it all the way out. Now I'm going to take this brush and just blend in like the fine lines. I have footage of me putting on my cream contour, but for some reason I can't find it, so it must have got deleted or didn't make it. Now I'm going to just take some veil powder and just pat it under my eyes with this brush. I'm pushing it all the way in, and I'm not really baking it, and then I'm kind of going to go back in and bake. But right here I'm simply doing a thin layer to just set my under eye. Because remember, we did put concealer on under our foundation, so we still need to set it. Now, of course, you know I'm brushing it off, and I have a little bit of the Sephora Micro Smooth powder on my brush, and I'm just pretty much just brushing it out and getting all that powder out of there. Now, I'm going to take my Too Faced Hangover Spray. I'm going to spray it a little bit, pat it in with my Beauty Blender to just bring the oils back in my face, to take that powdery look away. You know, and just get that skin-like finish, because we're going for that summer glowy look. So eyebrows are done, because y'all know I can't really do eyebrows on camera, but you see like the glow of the skin, like, oh baby. When real light on the powder, you gotta spray to bring them nutrients back through, and yeah, I think it's time to get on with the eyes. Okay, now I'm taking my P. Louise base. This video is a little old. I don't really use my P. Louise base as much anymore. I've kind of gone back to using concealer because I just can't figure out how to work the P. Louise base. But anyways, now I'm taking my Huda Beauty, these liquid shadow things, and I'm gonna put this color all over my lid. I'm kind of booting it up because I've never used it, so, and this is my first time, so I just want to see how it blends out. But I'm gonna eventually put this over my whole lid, so just watch till we get to that part. after putting that matte color on for my lid out of the Huda Beauty, I'm then going to open the glittery, shiny, wet side. And I'm just going to put that in the center of my lid. And then I'm going to go in with a normal brush. And I'm going to blend out those edges and kind of blend it in a little more to kind of make it look like my eyes wet. That's kind of the look we're going for, because it's going to intensify the highlight to give our skin that little extra glow, like a pop, you know? Now I'm going to take my Born to Glow by NYX, and I'm just going to put it on the apples of my cheeks, kind of as blush, but it's highlighter. And then, you know how we blend out our cheeks, so just watch. Okay, now I'm going to do my under eye. I just literally took like a peach color out of one of my palettes. I don't even know what palette it is. I don't remember, because again, I recorded this so long ago. But yeah, just do your under eye. Then I'm putting on lashes. These are my Lola Baby lashes. I don't know the name, but it's a lash and it's cute. Right here, I am putting on highlight. I'm pretty sure this is my Fenty Beauty highlight, and I just am highlighting in all my areas where the light always hits my face. And then, of course, blend out with your beauty blender so it's not as harsh and you make it more skin-like. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray and just spraying my face, and here's the final look, y'all.
BAM! Bitch! Let me find out you this poppin', bitch! Me? Yes, okay. The moment we have all been waiting for. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, I changed my shirt. I do have like a little bralette thing on. The moment. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so I guess like the Instagrammers and stuff, they just kind of So like last year when we were doing this, they were doing it with their hands and it was like everywhere. So I'm gonna use a beauty blender to do this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, Riri. Why did you, oh my god, is that this? Oh my god, it smells delicious. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. Oh man, like Riri, what do we do here? Why did you do this? Like, am I supposed to wear this every day now? Because this smells so good. It's so freaking pretty. Like, how do I know when it's like blended all the way out? Like, she is pretty. Let me back up. Ooh, body lover. Yes, Fenty. Yes, like, like that is pretty. Oh my god, it's like, I know it's probably too much putting on, but sis, like, what am I supposed to do? Like, oh, Riri, why did you do this? Now I'm gonna be walking around looking like a little glitter ball every day because it's Riri. This is fire, sis. Like, F it. We're gonna do the little ball thing. F it. Okay, so I think I just take it like this on my finger. Oh yeah, she's bright, sis. All right, we're just gonna. Oh yeah, she's coming out. All right, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because that's a lot of glitter for me, and I'm gonna have to clean that shit up when it's over with. So I'll be back to close out this video. Give me Boom. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this like summer glowy peachy look featuring a lot of my new products. I hope you guys liked it. I know y'all enjoy the Fenty Beauty glow because I enjoy it. It smells so delicious too. Yes, I love it. I hope you guys like this. I'm getting ready to take some photos, so if you don't follow me on the gram, go follow me on the gram so you can see the fire photos that I'm about to produce. Period. Oh, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share with your sister, cousin, mama, auntie, granny. Okay? Tell them to come over and head up to my channel, subscribe too, because they're missing out if they don't. For wondering about my necklace, it's from XIXI. Shout out to Adrian. This necklace is so cute, so dainty, so simple. Cute is her resurrection one for Easter Sunday. So, you know, if you celebrate Easter and all that, go check it out. It's real cute. It's real cute. It's real cute. It'll probably go with anybody's Easter outfit because I know it goes perfect with my Easter outfit. Yes, I go to church, so I have my Easter outfit already ready. But yes, if you like it, go support Adrian and her beautiful line because it's actually really, really beautiful. I love it so much. And again, I love you guys so much. Thanks for always supporting me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta!